Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number. Visit our website for more horoscope updates. Link is given on video description. Thanks for watching my videos. What will happen in 2020? This is the question that is running in the minds of many Mithun Rashi natives. These natives worry too much because most of the time they experience apprehension in its highest form other than positivity. This year will, however, be slightly different. The Mithun rashifal 2020 reveals that you will only experience challenges with your health and traveling. Your finances will improve greatly, and your family will also be proud of all the progress that is happening in your life. Brace yourself for this year because it is going to be a good one for the Mithun Rashi. 2020 career predictions based on the Mithun horoscope predictions for 2020. This year your career will take a whole different path. You have been working hard to reach where you are currently. People at the workplace will look up to you because of your hard work, determination, positivism, and optimism. You will be given the authority to train all the people that may want to learn from you by your bosses. The mere fact that you will train your colleagues will make the bosses appreciate you through awards and monetary gifts. Your spouse or partner will support you in every professional endeavor that you undertake. They will be there for you emotionally, physically and financially in 2020. Mithun Rashi 2020 forecasts for health. Mithun natives might have health issues this year. You have not been taking good care of yourself the past year, hence consequences will befall you. You will experience loads of minor illnesses such as stomach aches, headaches, and colds among other illnesses. Your immune system will also be affected by the mere fact that you do not take healthy foods. Based on the 2020 Rashi predictions, you will have to cut down on junk food and depend on fruits and grains. Avoiding fried food will resurrect your immune system as it was originally. 2020 Mithun Rashi Finance Horoscope. The Mithun rashifal 2020 astrology foretells that this year you will experience financial prosperity, unlike the previous years. You almost gave up on your financial abilities, but this year things will change. The investments you made in the past years will start bringing in profits. The profits will be in abundance that you will be in a position to cater to your expenses and those of your family. You are good at saving. Hence, you will take advantage of the availability of funds to save for hard times that may come in the future during the 2020 Mercury retrogrades. Family and love. 2020 Mithun rashifal love at home will be all that you will be singing this year. Forecast for 2020 predicts that your family will experience a lot of joy and happiness this year. Your children will be happy always to have you around. You will even go out of your way to help your spouse or partner with house chores when need be. This year it is all about bonding with your family and nothing else. The respect you have for your elders will grant you blessings that you never anticipated. You will teach your children the basics of life, and they will, in turn, apply them in their daily lives. Love will be in abundance for those people who are seeking it. Singles will experiment with numerous people, but towards the end of the year, they will have found a soulmate. People in relationships will develop new feelings for each other. Emotions will be high even with married couples and may lead to pregnancies. Mithun Rashi 2020 travel forecast. When it comes to traveling matters, this year you will get into big trouble with your spouse or partner. According to the Mithun 2020 rashifal horoscope, you will spend so much money financing trips for your friends other than doing the same for your family. You care so much about going on road trips with friends instead of taking vacations with your family. You will, however, towards the end of the year come to your senses and start paying attention to the travel needs of your family. Conclusion. As to the 2020 Mithun Rashi predictions, this year carries loads of goodies for you. Your attitude will determine how good things will affect your life. Do not focus on the negative but be glad about all the positive that will be coming your way. Always be thankful for everything that happens in your life.